Greetings. It is Sunday, April 18th, 2021. This is now framed with a little gold molding on top there. Not gold, it's gold color. Just to give it a touch of Fry Art Museum of Seattle. Back, when they used to have the 19th century collection up, which they hardly do at all anymore, not much of it. We're not Metropolitan Museum of Art, New York framing. This is a gift to a college friend from Southern Illinois who lost her spouse last year. She recently wrote me that she's been craving gefilte fish and vodka. Well, here you have it. West Side Fish Story. It's a Rumble, Bout number 2. Fishies versus gefilte fishies. Signed and dated by me March 26, 2021. All right, there you have it. Thank you, budgies, for I heard you chortling away in the background there. Good show, good show. All right.